Next station, Perth. This train runs from Perth to Rockingham, stopping at all stations.
Here we are at Perth. We got the Rockingham K operating. It's 8 AM on a Sunday.
All stations.
And here's those announcements there. Now, obviously I did film the normal Rockingham K pattern on a weekday just over a month ago at like 5 AM, 6 AM, but this, as I actually did say in that video, that upcoming we would have this closure where we have Rockingham K services running all day. So yes, welcome to this, not all day, just all morning. So welcome to this video. We are at Perth Station. We're at 102, 11th of February 2024, and we have Perth to Rockingham to Mandurah closure. So all trains terminating at Rockingham, not just one, which will be cool to see. And 909 running between Rockingham and Mandurah via Lakelands Station for the first time in the daylight during a scheduled disruption since it opened. So that's why we're heading down this morning to go check that out.
Doors closing.
So same scenes as last time. Now we're here at Wellard. You can see Rockingham K. And also, what the hell is this new ad? Blank pink. Literally for the Pink concert. We're gonna hear the Rockingham terminating announcement again. This time on a weekend.
Next station, Rockingham, where this service terminates.
And we'll go all the way down. Okay, so here we go. Looks like, again, unfortunate with luck, we're not going to be using the crossover.
Next station, Rockingham, where this service terminates.
Yeah, we didn't use the crossover, so we're just going into the normal platform and it's going to exit out the wrong way, but there will be a train on the other platform ready to exit the correct way, but it came in the wrong way, departing in just like a minute as soon as this one arrives. Typical of the closures around this area. Here we go around the bend. Hopefully everyone knows. There's someone sleeping behind us though, because probably they are out all Saturday night and they're going home Sunday morning, and now they're not even here. Sorry, that's my brother. Here's another train, set 86. That one's just gonna leave in a second, the correct way. Okay. Let's see. Bro, is there no transit officers here? Jesus.
This is Rockingham. This service terminates here.
Oh my god. There's literally no one getting the people off. Ah, well. Here we go. We're gonna depart in from platform 2 to Mandurah. But we have the Perth-bound service departing right now. There it goes. Yeah, I had to wake that sleeping drunk guy up. Off it goes.
Unattended in or around the station complex. Thank you for your cooperation.
And now that's next Perth services on platform 2, which people may not realize. Now if someone comes into the station and sees platform 1 30 minutes, they're gonna be like, what the hell? 30-minute wait, but they're gonna have to go over there. Oops. Which is the same as with the K pattern in the mornings, but right now it's obviously a bit more busy since it's 8 AM. 8:30. Hope everyone knows. I should go up. Any announcement? Okay. And here's the train replacement bus, just not even from the train replacement stand, just for convenience. We're gonna get on. Finally arrived here at Mandurah Station. 39 minutes train replacement Rockingham to Mandurah. That's ridiculous, but that's how long buses take. And we're gonna see when's the next train that's actually starting up. This is such a weird closure because it's starting up in the morning. I'm actually, yeah, I'm not sure. I think it's, yeah, there we go, 58 minutes.
They're not doing a U-turn coming on this side. Because yeah, they're coming from Rockingham, dropping people off.
58 minutes till the first train of the day. We also, I'm gonna have to take the 909 back up to Lakelands now because it's actually completely different in the other direction. It goes along Mandurah Drive and then like around the back where the 577 goes. And today's one of the few opportunities to film that. But I'm not going all the way up to Rockingham again. For the rest of that, you can see a video I made more than a year ago, just before the airport line opened. There was also Rockingham to Mandurah closure before Lakelands, and I did film the full trip in the other direction, so I'll link you to that one if you want to see that way. But other than that, we're just gonna go on that bus now, and then that's it for today's closure really, as I'll take the train then once it's restored all the way back up, so we don't have to take such a long bus again. Here we are at Lakelands Station, train replacement. First time we have train replacement at Lakelands in the daylight during a scheduled disruption. I still remember on the first day when it opened and they had the weird train replacement stands outside on the road because the bus interchange wasn't officially open yet, and there was an evening closure that night. But since then it's only been evening closures, so as you can see 909 route has been heavily amended in the northbound direction. It goes along next to the train line on Mandurah Drive, however you say it, I always forget. And then goes in the east of Lakelands near where the 577 goes with this massive Arctic bus, which is so weird. It feels like you have an Arctic on the 577 as it goes around there. But in the other direction it just loops in from Mandurah Road, doesn't go down there because you can't turn right onto Mandurah, that road there. But yeah, so it was pretty cool to go in that section. I'm not filming the rest of it, as I said before. I will link you to the other video which I filmed for the rest of the route 909 replacement all the way up, which is the same from here. It just goes out to Mandurah Road, which I already filmed in the other direction bus as well anyway. So off that bus goes. This is the second last train replacement bus for the morning, for the day, and there's one more in 10 minutes. Now that service is actually departing Mandurah still over 40 minutes before the first train, but the thing is, if they had any more services after that, the bus wouldn't connect to the first train later up, which means if you show up after that bus, you have to wait over 40 minutes for any service, bus or train, to go northbound, which is so ridiculous. That's gonna be crazy for those people. They're gonna have to wait so long. It's so weird. And that's just how it ended up being. But there's also people waiting here for 45 or so minutes for the train because it's in 43 minutes and everyone's confused what's going on. So I'm about to just go tell them to go on the last train replacement bus. There's not even any officers guarding the station here. And then And that's it for this video. And just back at Mandurah Station now, there's Trans-Siberian coaches leaving. Now there's no more train replacement buses, and anyone going up would have to wait for the next train, which is in 25 minutes still, which is all those people going in there now. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. That's it. I'm gonna end it here now, and I'm going to the Mandurah foreshore. Bye.